Hey everyone, check out the BENEUNDER Polarized Foldable Sunglasses that combine style and function perfectly. These sunglasses feature an ultra-light and thin metal frame weighing just 25 grams, folding down to a compact 16 mm for easy storage. The hidden temple arms are durable, adjustable, and can withstand up to 10,000 folds, ensuring long-lasting use. With upgraded RAYTURN polarized lenses, they block 99% of harmful UV rays and reduce glare for crystal clear vision. Their square frame design is sleek and trendy, suitable for both men and women in various colors. Perfect for travel, driving, sports, fishing, hiking, or cycling, these sunglasses offer practical sun protection and enhanced visual clarity. Experience the perfect combination of comfort, durability, and style wherever you go. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.